Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Phosphorus poisoning. There are two types of phosphorus, white phosphorus and yellow phosphorus. Second, red phosphorus. One, white phosphorus or yellow phosphorus. White phosphorus or yellow phosphorus is highly toxic, highly inflammable, so it is stored in water. It is luminescent and garlicky odor. Red phosphorus is non-toxic. So, phosphorus poisoning can be of two types, acute phosphorus poisoning or chronic phosphorus poisoning.
thank you and thank you for watching.